So you know, when you finish in a shower, especially nighttime, some of us tend to just go to bed. I do it sometimes. I know a lot of people will be walking out there with stinking outfit. I don't recommend, okay? Listen, it should be illegal. I don't want to smell you, okay? So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we go it on. Hey besties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jen. Welcome, and if you're all but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. So besties, in today's video I am going to share with you guys my hygiene secret that I feel like every woman needs to know in order to smell nice and stay fresh all day long. So besties, before we go into the video, please do me a favor, subscribe and comment on what kind of video you would like to see from me, and if you have any tips for other girls, link them. Me myself, I would love to try something new. Thumbs up though, okay? Share this video with whoever you feel like may need it. I made note because I don't want to forget anything. I want to put you guys on, okay? You guys are my girlies, period. Okay? Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. So besties, first thing first, let's talk about shower, okay? Shower is very important. I will tell you to shower twice a day, in the morning, before you go to bed, okay, in the evening time. I do not want to hear, oh, but I didn't do much today. I didn't do, no, cut it off. Go shower, period. Run, shower, okay, twice. It doesn't take long for you to shower, okay? Make sure you are taking your shower twice a day. I would recommend, if you want to smell nice. And don't forget to clean behind your ears, okay? Your armpit, lift up that boobs, clean it, okay? Lift up that stomach, clean it. Everywhere that needs lifting up, do it, okay? It will help you to stay fresh and smell good all day long. Alright, okay. So in topic of shower, make sure you double cleanse. What I mean by that is use a Dove bar soap and then just go on with your what's it called, loofah, and just scrub your body or whatever, and then rinse it. Okay, I remember my mother teaching me this when I was younger. I used to hate it, but now as an adult I understand, mommy, thank you. So double cleanse. When you do that, you rinse your body and then you go with your shampoo, okay? I use Dove, whatever I feel like I use it, anything that smells nice, okay? So I would go on with my Dove shampoo after for second time and do it, okay? Nighttime I might just do once because I'm not trying to stay there for too long, but I would say in the morning, if you could. I would say I would do it sometime in the morning, I would do it in the evening, whatever I was feeling like, okay? It depends on my mood. So make sure you are double cleansing, okay? Alright, period. And the next thing I will tell you to do, exfoliate once a week, okay? You don't have to do every single day. Once a week is enough, okay? You guys, I have done so many hygiene videos, okay? I'm going to link it somewhere in the screen, and I'm going to leave the link to the video on there so you guys can see the cleansing thing I use for my body. Amazing, smell amazing, and it's so good. It will leave you feeling clean, okay? So once a week, make sure you are exfoliating your skin, okay? So you know, when you finish in a shower, especially nighttime, some of us tend to just go to bed. I do it sometimes. I don't recommend, okay? I don't recommend. Make sure you lotion your body, nurture your body. I know it's like, well, I'm going to bed, I'm not good. No. Lotion your body, and this is not for you only, this is for me too, okay? Make sure you lotion your body like head to toes, your face, behind your ear, every freaking way. Lotion it, okay? I don't want to hear it. I'm just telling you, do it, okay? So after all that, we know that our gut health is very important. Me now, I start taking probiotic, the best decision ever. I wake up feeling light, I'm not bloated, my stomach is feeling at ease, it's not upset. I'm not waking up like somebody who is 9 months pregnant for no reason. And it also helped my flower basket to smell good and amazing. So it's a win-win. Make sure you are taking your probiotic. I'm not a doctor, let me just say that. Make sure you consult with your doctor, okay? All right, so the next thing in topic of keeping everything healthy, I will tell you to drink water. 2 liters. I don't want to hear no excuse. Oh, but I don't like water. Stop. Your body is made of water, so what are you talking about? Argue with your mama, not me. That was harsh, sorry. But for you, I don't want to hear it. Add lemon, add orange, whatever to your water to make it flavorful and drink it, okay? Make sure you're drinking more water than drinking soda. I will recommend you drinking like fizzy drinks and things like that. Reduce it and make sure you are consuming more water, okay? So the next thing I will tell you is to wear deodorant. I know a lot of people will be walking out there with stinking outfit. Listen, it should be illegal. I don't want to smell you, okay? I do not want. So make sure you are wearing deodorant, okay? Period. I don't want to hear it. So make sure you are smelling nice when you leave your house, even when you are at home. Don't you tired of smelling yourself like ew? And the next thing I will tell you is to have your everyday perfume. I do not, basically I wear whatever I'm feeling like. If I feel like wearing this morning, that's what I'm going with. I wake up in the morning, ask myself, what do I feel like? What do I feel like wearing? I have so many body sprays. I just choose whatever I feel like and spray on my body. And when I'm going to bed, I pick more light vanilla scent, caramel type of scent, because especially when you're going to bed with your man, you don't want to wear something overpowering over her that will make him sick. You just want to wear something sexy that will drive him insane, okay? That will make him like, this is my babe, this is my boo thing, okay? Alright, I'm just saying, you gotta smell nice, even if it's not just for your men. I like smelling nice, okay? Alright. I like going to bed smelling nice, period. I know. So the next thing I will tell you, I feel like everybody should know this, but if you don't know, I'm telling you right now, make sure you are brushing your teeth and your tongue, okay? No excuses. Brush your teeth, brush your tongue, okay? And that's twice a day. When you wake up in the morning, before you go to bed. And when you do that, you can't eat anything, go to bed. Drink water, but you can't eat anything. Go to bed. Brush your teeth. I don't want to hear it. No laziness. Twice a day, okay? Alright. So I would tell you again to have a mint. I have this Tic Tac thing that I have on my purses that I go out with, the ones that I go on my walk with. So that way, every time I feel like, I need a little bit of zhuzh, I can just pop it in, have my breath smelling minty, nice, okay? Alrighty, so the next one would be, last but not least, is for you to make sure you wipe down when you go to the toilet. Yes, wipe down, or you use water to clean down there. If you're outside, make sure you have wet wipe with you, okay? Like water wipe, whatever, if your downstairs is sensitive. Make sure you are using wipe. If you do number 2, wipe with toilet paper, okay? Remove all that residue and then go with your wipe down there, okay? And if you pee, use your wet wipe to wipe over there, because one thing I noticed, when you use toilet paper, it leaves residue. That residue can build up, and if you scratch or whatever, you will see the residue of that toilet paper in your hoo-ha. So that's what I'm telling you, use wet wipe, because that's the best thing for you, okay? Water one, you don't have to put the one that with scented one. So yeah, make sure you are keeping it fresh and nice and clean. Drink water, take your probiotic, make sure you consult with your doctor. I'm not a doctor, I'm nothing, okay? But a human being who has been doing this and seeing significant results, okay? All right. So besties, that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you in some way. Please let me know if you have any other tips that you do on your routine that is helping you to stay fresh and stay clean. Leave them down below. Let me know what is your favorite perfume, okay, or your body mist, whatever. Let me know in the comment section. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, share this video with whoever needs to see this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Bye besties.